beautiful Tiffany design. Isn't this a gorgeous color combination with the mint and the brown? So beautiful. All right, thank you, Melody. All right, look at this orange sunburst. This is great for you Tennessee volunteer fans. This is Maggie Ellis, and she's homeschooled, and she's wearing a beautiful Maury Lee ball gown. Look at the laced up back. That is stunning on you. Thank you so much. All right, next up we have Rebecca Gatewood. Rebecca is from Ooltewah. We sure want to thank all you kids coming out from Ooltewah and Polk County and the surrounding areas. Rebecca is wearing a beautiful sequin Giovanni gown. Isn't that stunning? Now keep in mind, ladies, these gowns are not just for prom and graduation. These gowns can go anywhere. If you've got a Christmas ball you need to attend, if you're going on a cruise, they're not just for these young prom kids. All right, next up we have Jamie Holder. Jamie is from Bradley High. She's also wearing a beautiful Elise gown. Look at that iridescent fabric. Isn't that gorgeous on her? Very, very nice. All right, Jamie. That's beautiful. All right, look at Casey Sparkle. I love this dress. This is Casey Ownby. Casey is a student at Walker Valley. She is modeling a beautiful Giovanni gown. This is quite the thing this year. Lots of sparkles. Very, very nice. Thank you so much. I love this dress. It's Ashlyn Pretty in Pink. This is Ashlyn Hall. She's a student at Sequoia. She's actually modeling one of our PC Mary gowns. This is a beautiful gown for not only prom, but also for some of you that are in the junior miss. All right. Next up, we have Erica Swindle. She is from Cleveland High. She is modeling a beautiful, beautiful iridescent blue dress. Isn't this gorgeous? And look how pretty it looks on her. All right, Erica, show us the back. Isn't that pretty? Thank you so much. All right. Oh, this is gorgeous. Next up, we have Casey Brownfield. She's from Walker Valley. She's actually modeling one of our impression gowns. I love the detail on this gown. It's very simple except for the empire waist. Very, very pretty. Very nice. Thank you, Casey. All right. Next up, we have Brianna Shoemake. Brianna is from Ooltewah. She's actually modeling one of our Maury Lee gowns. Very, very stunning. There's a lot of accent these days on the back and on the bodice. Very, very pretty. Thank you, Brianna. All right. This is Stephanie Halls. Stephanie is from Bradley High School. She's also modeling an Elise, a beautiful gown. So pretty, that flowing skirt. Very pretty. Thank you, Stephanie. All right. Next up, we have Chandler Motes. She's from Polk County. She is modeling a Kiss line. And isn't this a gorgeous color? I love the high-low skirt on this. Very, very nice. Actually, we're going to let Robbie go up there and model what he's wearing. Go ahead, Robbie. This is a tuxedo that we carry both at Anya's and a dressy affair. This is a beautiful ivory tuxedo. We've paired Robbie with a bubblegum vest and tie. Show them your bubblegum vest and tie, Robbie. Thank you so much. All right. We have Leah coming up. Leah Johnson is from Cleveland High. She's wearing a beautiful sparkle gown. is gorgeous. Who would think something could be so beautiful with no embellishments on it? But isn't that gorgeous? Very slim fitting, very pretty. All right. Next up we have Chelsea Gondek. Chelsea is from Walker Valley. She is wearing a very unusual dress by Sparkle. I love the iridescence in this dress. And Chelsea can really wear that dress. Isn't that beautiful? All right, Chelsea. All right, thank you so much. Okay, next up we have Alex Burkett. She is from Ooltewah. She's wearing one of our Elise designs. Beautiful with the pickup skirt and the embellishment on the waist. Look at the back of this. Turn around, show them the back. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful dress. Thank you so much, Alex. Whoops. Okay. Next up, we have Caitlin Hall. Caitlin is from Sequoia. She's wearing a beautiful, I believe this is a dancing queen. Black with the gold dots. I love this. Very, very pretty. Thank you so much. All right. We have Caitlin. We have Seth Rice up again from Cleveland High. She's wearing a beautiful ball gown from Elise. I love the drop waist on this gown. Isn't that gorgeous? And the corset back fits a lot of different body styles. Very, very pretty. All right, while you're right there, Andrew, let's get you to, wait just a second. Let's get Andrew to come up and model his tux. I'm sorry, I just threw them. Andrew is modeling a gorgeous black tuxedo from Walker's. Very, very pretty. And we've actually paired it with the mandarin orange vest. Very, 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 very stunning. We have a lot of orange gowns this year. That mandarin orange goes with a lot of the outfits. All right, I just messed Casey up here, okay. We have Casey Crago. Casey's with Bradley High. She's modeling a beautiful Maury Lee. Look at the gorgeous color on this. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the back on that gown. Very stunning. Thank you so much, Casey. Oh, this is one of my favorite dresses. This is Bailey Wider. She's from Polk County. She's modeling a stunning Elise bright red sequin gown. This gown can not only go to prom, this would be a beautiful pageant gown too for some of you that are in pageants. Beautiful. That looks stunning on you. All right, and next up we have our own Claire Delaney. As I said before, Claire works in our Dressy Affair shop next to Jenkins Deli. She goes to Cleveland High School and she's modeling a beautiful Elise design. Very, very pretty. I love that Grecian neckline. Very, very nice. Okay, and while we have him here, we're going to have Ryan model this stunning ivory tux. You can see on this one the jacket's just a little bit longer. We just kind of left him all ivory. Kind of will go with a lot of different dresses. I love the piping on the collar of this one.